Second.
Good morning. Thank you all for being here. Walmart is pleased to be partnering with the City of Lincoln, the Lincoln Lancaster County Health Department, and StarTran in hosting a diaper drive to help support children and families in our community. Walmart believes in giving back to our communities, and we know that diapers can be a big expense for many families. It is with great pleasure that I introduce Mayor Gaylord Baird and thank the mayor for this collaborative effort in helping young families and children that will benefit in this diaper drive. Thank you, Mayor, and welcome to Walmart.
Well, thank you, Jessica, for hosting this event and for being a part of this campaign to help our families here in Lincoln. And Walmart and all of your teammates here are just really have a great reputation for giving back to our community through projects like this. So thank you to all of you. And special thanks for what you've done during a pandemic to help continue to keep the doors open so people can take care of basic needs in our community. That has been a heroic effort this year like never before, so thank you. I also, of course, want to thank the Lincoln Lancaster County Health Department for what they do, and StarTran as well for making this collaboration possible again this year. This is our 4th diaper drive, and we're so proud to be back again. As a mother, I certainly can remember what it's like to have little ones and to remember just how many diapers you can go through in a day, and what it's like, of course, to reach for one when you really need it and discover that you don't have any on hand. That is not a good feeling. So really, we know that on average family goes through about 8 to 12 diapers a day, and that those diapers are really essential to keeping a baby happy and healthy. So our health team at the health department knows that this is actually like a public health issue. We also know that diapers are expensive and that it can cost about $80 per month for a child to pay for diapers. And here's some statistics that we know to be true from the National Diaper Need Awareness Week that we recognized last fall. 1 in 3 families with children ages 3 and younger actually struggles to afford diapers. And purchasing enough diapers to keep a child clean, dry, and healthy can consume 14% of a family on low income. It can consume 14% of their post-tax income. And an adequate supply of diapers is generally an eligibility requirement for infants and toddlers to participate in childcare or early education programs, which are so vital to their development and health. So the bottom line is that for many families, the cost of these essential items is actually a burden, and the pandemic has increased the number of families who are experiencing economic challenges, and of course the challenge of affording this expense in particular. The Center for People in Need right here in our community reports that requests for diapers have skyrocketed during the pandemic. Our health department has witnessed this firsthand as they work with our low-income families through a couple of different programs. One of them is WIC, the Women, Infants, and Children program that provides nutrition, education, breastfeeding support, community referrals, and other services to low-income, pregnant, postpartum, or breastfeeding mothers, as well as children up to the age of 5. And the Healthy Families America program, which provides home visits to help families improve their health status and to learn about pregnancy, infant care, postpartum care, and breastfeeding. So the staff who work in these 2 really important programs, they see every day how even just 1 box of diapers can be a challenge, but can also make a really big difference to a family. And for those families, we have really good news to share. I'm happy to report that the new American Rescue Plan will provide funding for local agencies for emergency supplies, which include diapers and wipes. And the Center for People in Need and the Junior League of Lincoln are continuing their efforts to start a diaper bank in our community. And we're also fortunate to live in a really generous community. In the first 3 years, this diaper drive has brought in over 88,000 diapers and 164,000 wipes. Of course, we know how quickly you can go through 88,000 diapers and 164,000 wipes, which is why we're back this year. Today, we again are calling on our community to show their generosity and their support for the babies in our community and to help keep the babies in our community healthy and happy. Diapers can be dropped off from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Saturday and Sunday at all 4 Walmart locations here in Lincoln. And StarTran buses will be parked near the entrances of all 4 stores to collect the diapers for our health department. And I'm going to start things off by presenting a donation on behalf of the mayor's office. We have a gift of 1,300 diapers to get things going. And now Jing Lu from our health department is the supervisor of our WIC program, and I invite her up to say a few words as well and to thank you for your service.
Thank you, Mayor Gaylor Baird. On behalf of the WIC and Healthy Families America programs, we'd like to extend a big thank you to Walmart, StarTran, and members of the community for supporting this effort that benefits Lincoln families. Both WIC and Healthy Families are programs aimed at protecting and improving the health of women, infants, and young children. Our programs at the health department are so excited to provide this extra help to those we serve because we know firsthand that it can relieve some of the stress and worry that our families face, especially during these difficult times. Thank you again for supporting our Lincoln children and families. I would now like to introduce Amy and her daughter Scarlett to say a few words about their experience in these programs. Thank you.
No, we gotta sit up here. Hi, my name is Amy, and this is my daughter Scarlett. Having one of our toddler meltdowns. I just want to talk for a minute today. It's okay, honey. You're okay. Here, you want to me? This one's up here. I'm just here to talk today about heroes. You notice we're wearing matching Batman shirts, and we brought her Batgirl Barbie. I've been on a long journey, especially in the last 5 years, and went from a not very good place in life to having this amazing kid, but I don't have a very big support system, so the health department programs have been amazing. I don't know where we would be without them. Able to have, what I need for my daughter and Janelle as a support person has been invaluable. So she's one of our heroes. We've also received, a lot of help that we didn't otherwise have that enabled me to get back into college and take classes. So we're really grateful for that kind of help. Stuff like the diaper drive. It's like, as a first-time mom and a nursing mom, there are so many crazy expenses that, diapers, it's a huge one. So anytime you dropped off diapers, it was always such a lifesaver. So I just can't say enough about the program and that you guys have been some of our heroes. So thank you so much for everything that you guys do. Bye.
Well, thank you so much, Amy and Scarlett, for being here today. Thanks for caring so much. It's wonderful to see your care. I love seeing your purse full of books, and to know that Scarlett is a reader. That's wonderful. She's making our future brighter. Thank you. And thank you as well, Jang, and thank you, Janelle. We really appreciate what you're doing. And again, thank you to Walmart, to Jessica, and all of you who make this possible. And at this time, we'd be happy to answer any questions if there are any. Otherwise, we'll wrap up. No? Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. And again, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Saturday and Sunday at all 4 Walmart locations.